Hello student of class 6. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter which is file management and organization of data. So let's start. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that as I told you, I would provide all the question answer as a PDF. You need to click the link in the YouTube description box and the PDF will automatically download in your phone, and then you can write the question answer on your computer copy from the PDF. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Here you can see the content of chapter 2. First is operating system, second is history of Windows, third is Windows 7 and its features. Today we will discuss about the three topics. Okay, so move on to the topics. Here you can see operating system. First of all, we need to know what is an operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. An operating system acts as a interface between the user and the hardware. That means we need an operating system. Operating system runs the all software and the hardware also. And an operating system is an interface between the user and the hardware. That means we can, when the user interact with the hardware via operating system, we need a operating system to interact with the hardware. When we give some instruction to the computer, the operating system passes the instruction to hardware. Okay, this is the whole process is done. Next is the operating system. Basically are two types. One is CUI, one is GUI. So what is CUI? CUI is mainly based on commands. Okay, CUI mainly based on commands. We need to type commands to interact with the hardware, and we need to learn and remember these commands to interact with the hardware. But on the other hand, the GUI is a graphical user interface. That means this operating system is based on a graphics. We need to click and pointing to give instruction to the computer. This is the main difference between these two types of operating system. So now we read the thing. The interface provides a user-friendly access to the computer system. Initially, the operating system were based on the specific text-based commands. These OS were known as command user interface or character user interface. Next is the graphical interface replaced them and access became much easier. Windows is one of the most popular graphical user interface based OS. That means we know here that the command line interface is the based on the specific text and based on commands, and the graphical user interface is mainly graphical pointing and clicking. The Windows is the most popular graphical user interface based operating system, and MS-DOS is the character user interface based operating system. Okay, these are the example of these two types of operating system. So move on to the next. Here you can see the history of Windows. Here you can see a table shown on your screen, and here we will know about the different version of Windows and its features. Okay, and its special features. So the first Windows is Windows 1.0, which is released in 1985. This was code named as Interface Manager. This is the features of this Windows. It had drop down menus, scroll bar, icons and dialog box that made program easier to learn and use. Switch among several programs without having to quit and restart each one of the possible watch. It contains several programs including Microsoft DOS, file management, Paint, Windows Writer, Notepad, Calculator, Calendar, card file, clock and game receipt. That means Windows 1.0 has the features switching among several programs without having to quit and restart each one was possible. Okay. Next is it was a drop down menu, scroll bar, icons, dialog box. These are the special features of Windows 1.0. You need to uh, uh, learn this 2 or 3 5 uh, example a feature of each version. Next is Windows 2.0 and 2.11, which was released in 1987. It had a desktop icon, higher memory, keypad, shortcuts, and improved graphics. That means the previous Windows uh, has a lower memory than the Windows 2.0 has higher memory, keypad shortcuts, and improved graphics. It was initially designed for Intel 286 processor, but it improved with the environment in the processor. Okay, that means in this version the processor will improved. Okay, next is Windows 3.0 to 3.1, which was released in 1990. This had a better performance, improved graphics with 16 color and better icons. Printer, print manager, file management, program manager were available in this version. There are many programs called gadgets that can be displayed on the desktop. Gadget means like clock, calendar, slideshow, uh, weather update, etc., etc. These are called gadgets program. Okay. Next is Windows NT, which was released in 1993. It was a 32-bit operating system which support high-end and engineering and scientific programs. Next is Windows 95, which was released in 1995. It had inbuilt internet and email facility. That means this is the first version of Windows which had inbuilt internet and email facility, dial-up network, improved multimedia and mobile computing features. It had plug and play capabilities and integrated network. It introduced the start menu. That means the Windows 95 is the first version of Windows which had a start menu. Okay, the taskbar and minimize, maximize, and close button also. Next is Windows 98. It had finding information on the computer and the internet easier. It was faster, supported DVD disc and universal serial bus. That means this type of Windows version, Windows 98, has had first time to support DVDs and USB. USB means pen drive, universal serial bus pen drive. Okay. The quick launcher bar was first introduced in this version. That means the quick launcher bar is also introduced in this version, Windows 98. Okay. Next is Windows 2000. Windows 2000, it is more reliable and user friendly, internet friendly, and provider increased support for mobile computing. And extended range of plug and play devices were added. Plug and play means we need to plug any kind of device like a camera, printer, etc. Okay. Next is Windows Me 2000, which was released in 2000. It is exhibited noticeable enhancement in music, video, and networking. System restore. Windows Movie Maker made its first appearance in this version. That means Windows Me is the version where the Windows Movie Maker and System Restore is the first introduced in this version. Next is Windows XP 2001. That means Windows XP is first introduced in 2001. Okay, it had combined help and support service center, online security updates available so that users were more aware about the malicious program. Malicious program means virus, any unwanted programs. Okay. It had also a remote desktop support and advanced networking features. Next is Windows Vista. Windows Vista was released in 2006. It was very strong and in security. It had a new look with the redesigning start button. That means in this version only the security is been improved, and the look of this look of the start button is Windows of the start button is redesigned. Okay, next is Windows 7 2009. That means the Windows 7 first released in 2009. You all know about the Windows 7 2009 because in our computer lab all the operating system is based on Windows 7. Okay, it helps wireless network to be the uh, created the at the office or at home. It was previously known by the code names Blackcomb and Vina, and it is available in 6 different types: starter, home basic, home premium, professional, enterprise and unlimited. These are the version of Windows 7. Okay, these are the version of Windows 7. That means Windows 7 has starter, home basic, home premium, professional, enterprise and unlimited. Okay, these are the Windows 7 version. Next is Windows 8, which was released in 2013. Next is 2013 Windows 8.1 also be released. 2014 support for Windows XP ends. That means the Windows XP which was released in 2001, in 2014 the support for Windows XP is end. That means we unable to use Windows XP now. Okay, next is 2015 the Windows 10 was released. Okay, in 2015 the Windows 10 was released and the latest version is Windows 10. Latest version of Windows is 10. Okay, next 2016 tentative release date for Windows creators update. That means we all know that all version of Windows giving updates regarding security improvement or of designing etc etc. The tentative release date of Windows creator updates in 2016. Okay, so move on to next. Here you can see the features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has different types of features. First is Arrow Snap. Arrow Snap helps to arrange two windows horizontally or vertically for better comparison. Next is Arrow Peek. Features helps to view the desktop and its gadgets, making all other open windows transparent. Next is the Arrow Shake. Features helps to minimize all other active windows except one currently in use. That means the currently used windows will not be minimized. Okay, next is Arrow Flip 3D. Enables to preview all open windows as a stuck. Okay, next is Windows Touch. Helps use your finger to browse web, flip through photos and open files and folders. Next is it provide live thumbnail preview. It has an improvement taskbar at the bottom of the screen to switch between open programs. To order of this icon can be fixed. Next is it has easier user account control and improved Windows management system. That means the Windows has the features to control user account and also management system, Windows management system. It has an improved power saving features. It has jump list and allow finding recently used file faster. That means we can easily search anything in Windows operating system. The search is integrated in it faster. The support handwriting recognition and creation of custom dictionaries or for handwriting support. That means the support of handwriting recognition and creation of custom dictionaries for handwriting support. Number Next is library is a very important part. These library features provide the convenient way to manage files that are located in multiple location on a computer. That means the library we can store the files in a drive, and the library organize these all types of files where the files is which drive. Okay, next is gadget include the clock, calendar, slideshow, feed headlines, weather updates and so on are displayed on the desktop for quickly accessing information. That means the gadget when we open the desktop, the gadget means clock is a gadget, calendar we easily can access these types of gadget. Okay, in this Windows 7 version. So next, move on to next. Here you can see some question inside question answer about the discussed topic. define operating system with example. Write the full form of CUI GUI. Write the difference between CUI GUI. Which is the most popular operating system? The Windows is the most popular operating system. Windows OS is the most popular operating system. Which is the latest operating system of Windows? The Windows 10 is the latest operating system of Windows system. Next is the features of Windows 7 operating system. Here are the 5 features of Windows operating system. You need to learn this question answer and also write the question answer on your computer copy. And here only I given only 7 question, 6 question following these topics, but here you can see the tables of Windows version. Here you can create some short type question, like when the Windows XP was first released, what is the features of Windows XP. These are the types of question you need to create your own. Okay, so you need to read the chapter carefully for better understanding the topic. So I will ending the discussion here. I will continue the chapter in my next video. So till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.